morning everyone, and welcome to another video from Mindful Eating. This morning I'll be doing a breakfast burrito. So I will link the recipe ingredients in the description box. So if we can just I will just share with you what I've actually got here. Now I've managed to break 2 eggs, although you can't see it, but there's 2 eggs here with a bit of salt and pepper. I've got some sliced up ham here, which you can't see, and some red onions. So firstly, what we're going to do, I'm just going to reduce the heat a bit. This is on, should be on the medium heat. We are going to add the beaten egg here in the pan, like so, and it's on a medium heat right here. And basically we've poured the egg in. We're going to leave the egg to cook until it starts to set, just here, like so, and it's starting to set slightly here. And then after that, we're going to add some ham and some cheddar cheese and some onions. And then we're going to let it cook for a further 4 minutes. So now, there's a bit of set here. So now we're going to add the ham. And seems like to be quite a lot of ham. We'll add a bit of ham. And then we're going to add some onions to that, just here. And then we're going to add some cheddar cheese to it, just a tiny bit of cheddar cheese. We're just going to leave that there to cook for a bit. So as you can see, the cheese is all nice and melted. And what we're going to do afterwards is we're going to wrap it into a burrito. So this is what it should look like. If you want your onions fully cooked down some more, you can. For me, I don't mind with a bit of crunch. And I'll show you what it looks like afterwards, once it's rolled. And there you have it, our breakfast burrito. This was a very simple breakfast recipe. I hope you enjoyed this short video.